Netflix called it the world's most amazing vacation rental. We call it a $32 million business that started with a $250K investment.
Not only did we do that, but we can show you how to do that too.
Yeah, if you're serious about short-term rentals, we've mastered every part of this business over the last decade. With 94% occupancy, $700 ADR, and 100% direct bookings, we've built a system that works, and we want to show you how to do it too.
All you need to do is attend one of our workshops at Bolt Farm Treehouse here in Tennessee, and here's what other workshop attendees are saying about their experience.
The information that Seth and Tori are giving in a span of 36 hours is going to save people millions and millions of dollars.
When an opportunity came up to come to this workshop with them, we jumped on it immediately because we knew they had so much to offer.
It's easy to believe that if you're not happy with your occupancy rate, well, you must be charging too much, but that's not the case. It's just that your offer has not gotten in before the right people who are willing to pay maybe double what you're currently charging.
They're sort of my heroes in this space. I'm like, whoa, they're allowing me access to them? Like, this is exactly what I need to grow our business.
We looked at each other and we're like, we need to do this.
If you want to run a successful business, why not learn from the best? Everything from marketing to team building to construction, they cover it all
It's going to be instrumental.
in our success.
Yeah, absolutely.
The short-term rental workshop was really appealing because Matt and I aren't in the space yet, but we are looking to get into the space, and it was clear that Tori and Seth have built something really special here that we knew we could learn a lot from.
Mastermind group is a group of people that excel at whatever they do. It's hard to find that in our daily life. So we went to the best.
So much has been packed into this.
Yeah.
So much behind the scenes of running their business that we've been gleaning and learning from, and so many takeaways for, hey, these are the next steps, what we need to focus on for our business.
Programs like this are amazing at just compressing the time to success, so distilling that knowledge down is going to not only save millions of dollars, but even more valuably, time to get there.